When you see this view, all the quarrels seem meaningless. Do you want to see how small humanity is? When you see the view of the blue planet passing by at 8 kilometers per second, no matter how strong you are, tears well up in your eyes and you feel like a child again. When you look at Earth from 400 kilometers high, you realize that we are all in the same spaceship, and this ship has limited resources. From space, lightning storms illuminate the clouds for several hundred miles, as if the planet is giving you a special light show. You can look out the window for hours a day for months and still not get tired, because every 92 minutes the Earth rotates 13 degrees and presents you with a new view. We are all inclined to appreciate natural beauty. Throughout history, in every culture, everyone is moved when they look at the ocean, a mountain, or a beautiful forest view. That's why the beauty of nature affects us so deeply. We are programmed that way. When you see your planet completely from space, all your feelings are turned upside down. We first saw Earth during a launch from space, looking down from the Pacific Ocean above the atmosphere, and those magnificent blue and white clouds just shone in the dark expanse of space. This incredibly blue planet, standing against the dark sky, creates a breathtaking sight. Even if you've only seen Earth in movies or pictures, seeing it with your own eyes is truly beautiful, with its rapidly changing landscape. Tears well up in your eyes. No matter how strong a person you are, you can feel like a child again. We must want all of humanity to see this sight. It's a constantly evolving visual feast. I repeat, even 6 months after the flight, you never tire of it. As you pass by the window, you feel the urge to take a picture with a camera. As the Earth orbits, it rotates approximately 13 degrees every 92 minutes. Therefore, on your next orbital journey, the Earth shifts a little more, and you see another view. I think that's why this sight is so beautiful and captivating. No one ever tires of looking at this constantly moving planet. You can look out the window for hours every day for months and still not get tired. You can never explore the entire world, and the planet is constantly changing. Everything differs with the seasons. At night, there are always lightning storms in a particular spot on Earth, and seeing those flashes is inevitable. They illuminate the surrounding clouds, and this seems to lead to seeing new lightning strikes elsewhere. So lightning strikes from one place, then from another. Otherwise, you might encounter the northern lights in a way you've never seen before. This is incredibly impressive when viewed from space, because you see the geomagnetic field that creates the aurora. Another great feature is the city lights. You see the settlements of people on the planet illuminated by the lights of cities. It's truly breathtaking. You know, we're only a few hundred miles away, orbiting the planet. But this shift in perception, this ability to look from afar, deepens your feelings about the planet. You believe Earth is a spaceship. There's a closed spacecraft with limited resources right before your eyes. All of humanity is part of this unique crew. We know there are conflicts, suffering, and injustices out there. You feel them while you're on Earth, and you know they still exist. But for a moment, that feeling changes with the thought, how beautiful. I remember wishing everyone could see this view of their own planet. Perhaps it would lead them to rethink what is more important in their lives and be less angry at their neighbors, paying more attention to their efforts to protect this beautiful planet we live on. Music. When you look at the infinity of the endless stars, then you begin to understand how insignificant not just yourself, but Earth and indeed all of humanity are. It's a wonderful opportunity to consider our place within it. But as you delve deeper, we like to question what that means. We wonder what our limits really are, and I think we actually have no limits at all.